Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing good. We have already prepared the prose, the nose jewel, and the poem Special Hero. In this class, we are going to learn first unit supplementary, The Woman on Platform 8. This story written by Ruskin Bond. Now we are going to learn about the author. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. He was born on 19th May 1934. He studied in Bishop Cotton School, Simla. He wrote his first novel, The Room on the Roof, when he was 17 years old boy, which won John Llewellyn Rhys Memorial Prize in 1957. He is considered to be an icon among Indian writers. He wrote more than 500 short stories, essays, and poems. His role in the growth of children's literature of India, he was awarded the Padma Shri and then Padma Bhushan. His best stories are Our Trees Still Grow in Tregra, A Flight of Pigeons, The Blue Umbrella, The Day Grandfather Tickled a Tiger, The Night Train at Deoli. Ruskin Bond is an eminent or a famous writer, lives with his family in Landour, Mussoorie, India. Students, before enter the story, we should know the meaning of the hard words. Okay, so let me see the glossary. First one, inferno of heaving, hell of crowd. Dismally in a gloomy, depressed or cheerless manner. Serenity, calmness, composure, peaceful. Encounter, unexpected meeting. To melt. Obvious pleasure, the feeling of happiness, satisfaction. Cemented, established or connected. Shunting, pushing or pulling. Leaped off, jumped down. Clutched, gripped, grasped tightly. Imposing, impressive in appearance. Embarrassed, ashamed or awkward. Nuisance, inconvenience. Instinctive, natural. Sternly, strictly. Statured, walked or moved unsteadily. Contradicted, opposed. Wagging, swinging or shaking. Resentful, irritated. Grinning, smiling broadly. Hustling, push or jostle. Squatting, sitting. Shrieked, screamed or screeched. Moved. Patronizing, apparently kind. Jolted, moved with sudden jerk. The character of this story, the main character is Arun, a boy of 12 years old, schoolboy who studied in a boat school. The next character, Satish, Arun's schoolmate. The next character, Satish's mother, a large, imposing woman with spectacles who irritated Arun by her unwanted or stern behaviors and advice. Here, what is the meaning of the word stern? The glossary itself we are seen, stern means strict, okay? The next one, the strange woman, a simple woman with a deep, soft voice who comforted Arun and treated him as a son. Location of this story, Amla railway station. In this story, the woman on platform 8 about the love and affection. Let me enter the story now. The story starts with Arun of 12 years old boy waiting for his train scheduled at midnight at Amla station on platform number 8. He was traveling alone as his parents considered him to be big enough to travel alone. He was early at the station feeling bored. Suddenly, a soft voice asked him if he is alone. He saw a woman with pale face and dark kind eyes simply dressed in a white sari. He observed that she was poor but had a dignity in her appearance. She asked whether his parents have come to see him off. He replied, he can travel alone. The woman agreed, which made Arun instantly like her. She was simple, and her deep voice and serenity was liked by Arun. Here, what is the meaning of the word serenity? That is peaceful, isn't it? The next one, the woman asked about his name and his train. Then she took him to the canteen. She ordered tea, samosa, and jalebis for him. Arun could not refuse. She questioned many things but listened to him instantly. All her kind and generous behavior of Arun forget that she was a stranger. Satish, one of Arun's schoolmates, came to the station with his mother. They introduced each other. The woman addressed herself as Arun's mother without any hesitation. Satish's mother warned Arun to be careful of strangers, but Arun replied that he liked strangers, which staggered her. When the train came, they boarded. The woman took Arun's hand in her hands and smiled gently in an understanding way. Arun said goodbye, calling her mother. He gazed at the woman till she got lost in the crowd. Though we don't know her true identity and are left to assume she has lost a child at the station, there is a feeling that the woman's life is dedicated to looking after other children at the station. In this story, fully covered with identity, kindness, freedom, independence, trust, and connection. Let me see the 1 marks now. How old was Arun? Arun was 12 years old. How old was the woman? The woman was over 30 years. Who was Satish? Satish was one of Arun's friend. How was the woman dressed? The woman was dressed in a simple white sari. Who came with Satish? Satish's mother came along with him. Who was Satish? Satish was one of Arun's schoolmates. What passed Arun? Trolleys passed Arun. How did Arun feel? Arun felt bored and lonely. Who called out to Arun? Satish called out to Arun. Where was Arun sitting? Arun was sitting on platform number 8 at Ambla station. What did the woman buy for him? You want to list out the items, that is samosa and jalebis. What were the Arun's lost word? Arun's lost words were goodbye, mother. Okay. The next one, identify the speaker and character. First one, are you all alone, my son? Who is the speaker? The woman. Yes, I am going to school. Who is the speaker here? Arun. I had to change trains anyway. I can travel alone. This is Arun. And how long do you have to wait for your train? The woman. Hello, Arun. The train's coming in late as usual. Satish. I am glad to know that. Satish, mother. Yes, I am Arun's mother. Who is the speaker? The woman. These days, one has to be very careful of strangers. Who is the speaker here? Satish, mother. Here it comes. Who is the speaker? Satish. Goodbye, mother. This is Arun. Students, I hope you all are understood this story. Now try to answer for this worksheet. First question, how old was the woman? Second one, who was Satish? Third one, how old was Arun? Fourth one, the woman was dressed in a simple dash sari. Next one, Arun felt dash and lonely. Next one, Arun was sitting on dash. Next one, the woman bought samosas and dash. Next one, Arun's lost words were dash. Next one, identify the speaker and character. Yes, I am going to school. Who is the speaker here? Okay. The last one, who is the author of this story? Who wrote this story? Okay. Students, listen this story carefully and then answer for this worksheet. Okay. Thank you.